Today is the day after the snowstorm. We're gonna go downstairs in my building, take a look at the space between the buildings, what it looks like normally. Okay, we're in my building here. Back entrance, the day after the storm, we're gonna look outside and look what it's normally like between the building I live in and the building across the street. Typically normal day. So you can see here it's just a road. Building over there, my building over here. Not too windy, little breeze, typical, but nothing too bad. Let's take a look at what this was like just 24 hours ago.